G'day, it's Christine Welsh here, the designer behind ChrisW Designs, and today I'd like to introduce to you the Allure. Let's take a look at the Allure. As you can see, it's got a nice front flap with trim. I've used cork on this bag. You can use leather or vinyl as well. It's got an adjustable strap so you can make it whatever length you would like. It's got a little tassel here and nice little trim on the zipper pocket trim just for looks. You don't have to add that if you don't want to. That's optional, but it just looks good. It's got the zipper pocket here, which I use for my keys, and as you can see they're quite bulky, but due to the way that this flap is constructed, you don't even notice the bulk in there because it's got the Decaville light in the flap, so it kind of hides any bulk in there. You don't get ugly bulges poking through. It's got the quick access phone pocket here at the back, and that's the back of the bag there. But I love that quick access phone pocket. I couldn't live without it now. I've just really gotten used to that. So let's take a look inside the Allure, which opens with a twist lock. And inside the bag is a large, roomy compartment. It has a zipper pocket, and it's quite a large zipper pocket because we actually turn the bag through that zipper pocket. And on the other side, I've added extra slip pockets. These are made from Pocket Supplement A, which you can grab on my website for an extra $2 if you would like to add it too. It adds an extra large slip pocket, a little pen pocket, and two smaller slip pockets here at the front. And yeah, that's optional, but you can use that pocket supplement over and over again in a gazillion other bags. And there you have it, the Allure. So, let's get started.